guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this hair. So I usually wear my hair curly or I just put it up in a bun, but today I'm going out, so I decided to straighten it. It's usually a long process, all the way from deep conditioning to blow drying and actually flat ironing it. So if you guys would like to see how I did my hair, please keep watching. Alright, so I usually don't really straighten my hair that often, but when I do, I make sure I deep condition my hair before I do so. So after I shampoo and conditioner, I make sure I put a deep treatment, which I usually use this one, deep treatment mask, and I'll leave it on for like 15-20 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. So it depends on how long I have to get ready. Usually I'll let it air dry a little bit, or if I'm pressed on time, I'll blow dry it. So I'll let it air dry. This is my natural hair. It's like wavy, curly, super frizzy, but it's still a little bit wet, so I'm just gonna blow dry it and then start straightening it. So before I do that, before using any heat products, do not forget to use heat protector. So I use this one. So I'm gonna part my hair in half. Put this in the bun. And then and I'm gonna just start blow drying. So after I'm done with a section, what I like to do is take my coconut oil, and I literally put like this much. Rub it. Rub it mainly on the ends, and then I distribute it throughout the rest of the hair. And then after I do that, kind of twist it. Move on to my next section. So I usually leave my hair like this for like about 5-10 minutes, just to lock in the moisture and lock in that that coconut oil into my hair. my hair is super dry, so I want it to be extra moistured. So now I'm going to take these out. So again, I'm gonna part my hair. And then I'm gonna go back in with the heat protector. And then I usually don't feel the need to put anything on it because with the coconut oil, it really just makes it super smooth and shiny already as it is. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get dressed and I'll be right back. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like this video and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Bye, guys.